Now I request to the Honourable Chief Guest, Raja Yassir Humayun, Minister of Education, Punjab Government, to kindly address the congregation. Please.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Honourable Chairman, Leeds University, Honourable Vice Chancellor, distinguished guests, Honourable academic, members of academic team, students, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I would like to congratulate the graduating class. It's a big day for you. You have completed your education and hopefully will be entering your professional life very soon. I wish you success in life and best of luck. I would like to congratulate Leeds University that they've been improving their quality standards, their campus day by day. I've been to the campus 3 years ago, and I'm very pleased to know that the university is growing strength to strength every year. I really hope that one day the academic standards and quality of our higher education becomes at par with what is being done internationally, because unless we produce world-class human resource, there is no way that we would be able to compete in this world which is full of competition, the world which is led by technological innovations, the world which is going through the information revolution, and we are lagging much behind. So the only way we can compete in this world is by producing top quality human resource, because in this era of computers and information, human resource is your major capital. It is said that technology and semiconductor is oil of the future, oil of today actually. And the biggest input they need is quality human resource. Even right now, we need at least 30,000 computer scientists every year, and we are only producing 5,000 to 6,000 quality computer scientists. So we need to improve, focus on our quality. Ever since we have come into power, our focus has been to encourage not only the public sector but the private sector universities to improve their quality benchmarks so their international rankings improve. Because if you work on those, that's the only way you're going to improve the quality of the people, your students, you're graduating. So my request has always been to all the public sector and private sector university board of governors, the syndicates, that in higher education, its quality is much more important than increasing access. And there is no point of producing a huge quantity of graduates who are not at par with the international standards. So the good news is that over the last 3 years, our vice chancellors and the boards have been doing some work on this. And in Punjab, at least 6 new universities have entered the quality rankings in the last 3 years. 3 years ago, there were only 6, now there are 12. And hopefully, I really hope that Leeds University will very soon be in that list of at least ranked universities. And I really hope the Board of Governors works on that and the Vice Chancellor works on that. Today was a very busy day, as you all know, because of the political activities. But I really wanted to take out time for this occasion. And unfortunately, I have to leave early. But once again, before I leave, I wish you all the success. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.